Why do millions of people focus on their blood sugar levels every day? Because it's the secret to feeling great and staying healthy. Start with a balanced diet. Choose whole grains like brown rice, lean proteins like chicken or tofu, and healthy fats from avocados and nuts. Fiber-rich veggies like broccoli? They're your best friends. Next, get moving. Physical activity like walking, yoga, or even light dancing helps your body process insulin better. Just 30 minutes can make a big difference. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar. Add a slice of lemon for extra benefits. Monitoring is key. If you're at risk, use a glucose monitor to stay informed. It helps you adjust your meals and activities in real time. Looking for natural boosters? Cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, and chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar. Sprinkle them into your meals or drinks. Don't forget stress management. High stress can raise blood sugar levels. Try meditation, journaling, or deep breathing exercises to stay calm. Remember, small daily habits lead to long-term health. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Together, let's stay healthy and happy. See you next time.